Letter pattern ER. Hello, I'm Miss Seymour, and I'm a teacher at Springfield Park Elementary. Make sure that you have something to write with. Today we will learn about the letter pattern ER. The letters ER are used to represent the sound Now you say the sound. What sound do the letters ER make? Did you say If you did, great. If not, say it now. Can you write the letters we used to represent Did you write ER? If you did, great. If not, pause the video and try again. Write the letters ER and say the sound that it makes 3 times. While you write ER, say, ER says Pause the video while you write it. Read this word on the screen. Did you say fern? Fern. Read this word on the screen. Did you say perk? The word is perk. Perk. Read the word on the screen. Did you say perch? The word is perch. Perch. Read this word on the screen. Did you say her? The word is her. Her. I will read 3 words. You write them down as well as you can. Don't forget to tap the sounds and pause in between each word while you write it. The first word is verb. Verb. The second word is stern. Stern. The third word is term. Term. Did you spell them correctly? The first word is verb. Verb. The second word is stern. Stern. And the third word is term. Term. Can you think of some more words with the sound? Pause the video while you think. Did you think of the words her, jerk, Bert, finger, herd, master, singer, and flower? It's okay if you thought of other words. Nice job thinking about that sound. Thanks, and ask your teacher if you have any questions. And don't forget to practice this week.